Hello dear teachers, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about the lesson plan for class 2nd English Come Back Soon poem. We need 8 periods for this poem. So let's start with gist of the lesson. This poem reflects different modes of transport. Children will learn about different vehicles around them. They will know the types of vehicles also through this poem. Now let's talk about the competencies. As I told earlier in my videos, in language we prefer to take basically 4 competencies: listening, speaking, reading and writing. So talking about listening the poem correctly and try to get its meaning properly. In speaking the words and reciting the poem with correct pronunciation and speak the words correctly. Reading the poem word by word with correct pronunciation. And writing the poem seeing and without seeing, using the correct spellings and punctuation marks. Now talking about the learning outcomes, means what the children are going to learn through this chapter. So in language we consider 2 types of learning outcomes, general and specific. General are same for all the chapters, like correct knowledge of language, rich vocabulary, correct pronunciation, self-expression, good handwriting and use of English in their daily life. Now specific outcomes for this chapter are: speak and tell about different modes of transport, differentiate various modes of transport, read and write new words of the poem, draw and write their favorite vehicle. Now what activities can be taken? First one is reciting the poem with correct rhythm and intonation by the teacher and followed by the students. Listing various types of vehicles around the students, differentiating the vehicles as air, water and land, draw and write few sentences about their favorite vehicle, listing some animals used as transport, writing new words, one word answer questions and fill in the blanks. How the assessment will be done? Individually as well as in group. Individually we can ask the students to recite the poem, dictation test we can take, handwriting test, MCQs and through worksheets. In group also we can ask them to recite the poem in groups, reading the poem in groups and writing the poem also in groups. So this is all about the lesson plan. Let's meet in the next one. Till then, keep learning.